Robin Hood. There's dogs on the loose. All right, well, I was going to help them, but I think they're okay. All right, so right now we're going to our buddy's Larry's place right now. He just got a compound bow, and I'm thinking about getting, actually not thinking, I am getting to archery, and so I need some more practice, but I'm planning on buying a recurve bow, and we can talk about that more later. But for right now, it's a nice day out, so we're gonna go shoot some arrows. I'm just waiting for my buddy Jeremy to show up. He decided to take his bike. All good?
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, I was going to help you out.
Yes, the small one is very crazy.
No, okay. My God. Is it much better?
Much better.
Well, Jeremy's saying it's much better because I just gave him my prescription sunglasses, which is identical prescription. So, yeah. But you guys, if anyone remembers this bike, it's my old bike. I miss the bike. It's a great bike, but it's in the family. All right. Go. I think that's enough room.
That's way more than enough room, bro. Hey, buddy. It's way more than enough room. Come on, man.
What, have you met my dog?
No, I haven't.
It's Charlie.
Hey, John.
He's a little dirty. Apparently you guys rode hard on those things?
Yeah, Larry doing wheelies. Yeah, Larry,
And that's a big bike too.
Yeah, but it was light.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
Woo. Look at this. The first time I'm at my buddy's brother's house, I mean. Dang. Look at this S2K here. This S2K here. This S2K here. Man, this is a dream. All right, guys, mark my words. We're gonna have a property like this soon, all right? Sooner than later. Hastings, check this garage out.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Damn, 3 of them.
I like the S2K with the Volks and the hardtop.
That's my nephew's.
That's
my old one.
Wait, is this the one that crashed multiple times?
This Billy's, he was just here. He's putting up the soft top.
Wait, I just realized, is this Billy's?
Yeah, that looks nice, boy. He's put up the soft top that I gave him. I bought for myself.
I didn't even realize this was Billy's.
Yeah, that's my brother's over there.
Yeah.
Well, that's the shop.
Yeah.
I'm not in a rush to go get it. 3 muskets.
How about this? It may look clean, dirty, but once you wash it, you're like, oh wait. Nah, I like it though.
It wasn't a bad wreck, that's why. It just scraped up here.
Wait, whoa. My question is, why is there so many brake pads?
So he knows people in Tennessee, and this is not just what he get rotors, he get all kinds of stuff. I told him to buy it to bring here so we could flip it, but
yeah.
It's just sitting here, we don't have time.
Well.
Just too many. See, there goes my seats for my 4Runner over there.
All right, so Larry just picked up this Mathews bow. Oop. Yeah. Yeah, this is Larry's first bow. And he kind of went all out from what I know. Yeah, it was a pretty extensive setup, but we have a little bit of fun. We got the little pistol grip going in there, but to the best of my knowledge, all compound bows have these pistol grip. We're gonna test this out. Charles is having a great old time. Drop. Drop.
Almost walked the same.
Drop. Hey. Sit. Hey.
You think he's a husky?
I think he's part.
Part husky? He don't have the eyes of a husky.
No, because they usually have like a discolored eye and like the little pupils.
Yeah, they're people.
Yeah.
Ready?
Hey.
Ready?
Oh, he wants a tennis ball for real.
Oh, that shit weird.
That's crazy.
That's my luck though.
That's 1 in a million. Oh, he caught 3 turtles. You caught 1 before that.
Right before that.
Yeah.
I guess count the damn family.
I guess, yeah, he got the whole damn family up there.
Can we move closer? He's on the rock.
Bass in the wintertime, about December.
I try to get it back pretty good.
Until the end of March.
We trusted Larry a lot of this, like a lot. What we got? Woo! So Larry's first one was this, so that's not bad. The second one was this one, then this one, and yeah. Oh, Larry, come here. Look at the bottom one.
I know, right? I see it. I knew I barely hit it.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Ugh.
No, it's just the distance.
I know. I just thought it was funny. I didn't want to move it to show you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was your first one,
Yeah.
second one, and then third and fourth, fifth.
Yeah. The thing is, I was moving it too much.
Yeah.
The last ones, it was getting tired
Also,
out.
you were just shifting her whole body too, because you went from over there to there.
Yeah.
So.
I think over there is a little further. I think no,
Yeah.
it's about the same. A little further, basically. Yeah, the trigger always go on the right side.
Okay.
And this, whenever you put this in, it always clicks.
Yeah.
Hear it?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, aim a little high.
Oh, that's better.
There you go. Whew. I think I moved up.
This is Jeremy's first time shooting this type of compound bow. Well, we shot one of the shields, but it was definitely a lighter draw weight.
Yeah.
Also, this draw length is different than yours. Because Jeremy's is same as mine, which is about 27, 27 and a half. And then Larry's is about 26. So.
Larry's is 26?
Yeah.
Oh, mine's 26.4.
Is it?
Yeah. I think Larry's is shorter.
Yeah. Or 25.
Maybe 25.
Oh, sorry, Charles. Just want you to be safe, Charles. Yeah, we're starting to get too many hobbies. But I think these type of hobbies is okay.
That's hard.
Alright. Just.
Almost.
Almost.
Target that wasn't buy, but it was I thought it was too cheap.
Charles, I'm sorry. If I let you off, you might become. Never mind. Ooh, much. Oh, that was good. That was a good one.
All right.
All right, let's check out Jeremy's grouping. All right, well, his second to last one's the one down here. But other than that, it's pretty good.
Look at the angle of this one.
Yeah. But
What the hell?
his last one is this one. This is his last one, so that was a good one right in the middle. Well, got points. So, good job.
Thanks.
Yeah.
All right. See the peta.
And man, guys, doesn't matter how much you lift in the gym.
It's all about what you can do with a bow.
Oh, this is my mic. Oh. Oh.
Yeah, I was aiming almost the full left side of that target to hit the middle.
Sorry, Charles. Last one.
Last one?
Well, because it's last arrow.
Oh. Nice. Got it. Nice.
Got the grouping.
Ooh, you got it. That one's really good. Alrighty.
Not too bad. So this was my last one off, but the last two is here, and my first two are here. So not too bad, but my arm was shaking. I don't think it's too bad. First time shooting Larry's bow. Took a little getting used to. I kind of did one of these.
Ouch.
Yeah. So I accidentally did that. You're supposed to be kind of like that. So you're not supposed to lock out your arms. But I was a little nervous. You know, because these guys make me nervous. I'm sure the more we do this, the more we learn about like bow and arrow etiquette and all that. Just like a gun range in any other sport. Yeah, cool.
When does your recurve come in?
Probably in 2 weeks. But cookies come in on Saturday.
Oh, cookies is coming?
Yeah.
You guys
Nice.
want to have dinner at that house?
Well, your house?
Yeah.
Oh, now?
After you play your little arrows.
There's a law setup. What you got? What brand is this one now?
This is Prime.
Prime. So,
Yeah.
so Larry has a Mathews, you have a Prime. So both these guys got bows because they want to match since they're birthday buddies. Oh, Law's is lighter.
Oh, yeah. Yo, what if I miss and like hit a car?
Then it is what it is. Oh, well, that's a good idea. Look.
Yeah, see him in the ground.
Yeah. Alright, well, it's first time shooting his compound out in the open.
Out in the open.
Go fucking hunting.
First one to catch a squirrel.
Yeah, the one that says Bindale was definitely his.
Nice Law. Good grouping.
Yeah.
Right.
No, I mean like it goes left and right. Because mine's been going decent, right?
Well, yeah.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video right here. The guys are gonna continue shooting since Law's got here. We're gonna probably turn on the spotlights and everything, but it's getting dark and it's getting a little chilly and I just don't feel like recording more. So hope you guys enjoy this new archery content. There's gonna be more of it because I myself, and I think I said it earlier, I'm also getting a bow, but it's gonna be a recurve. So it's going to a little more traditional style, partially because it's much cheaper. But I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Robin Hood.
Oh my god. People's gonna say that's a pull. Oh, wait, hold on. Is this? Can you open this?
Oh, shit. Whose
No.
car is this?
Don't worry about it.
No. Wait, push it. Hold on. Unscrew your thing.
Already buy him a new car. Fine.
Yo.
Car, bro?
Dude, it went into the car.
Went in the car.
Bro, you are not safe.
I'm gonna take a picture. Hey, bro, look at this.